About 4:30 in the afternoon, Wednesday. Just about got her done on all the rounds for the splitting. Didn't get much cutting. Went up the hill, picked up some piles up there and loaded them on the trailer. And then I noticed this log's just been steadily cracking and cracking, and it had that big old, it looks like it was probably aluminum. It's got a little bit of red glass or plastic in it, one of those driveway markers. So I've already cut past it. I'm probably just about time to roll it and try coming down from the other side. I got the 24-inch bar on and it just about bottomed out everywhere. Trying to jump back at me a little bit. I'm all the way through on both ends, I believe. Or maybe I didn't get through this side yet. Nope, I didn't get all the way through this side yet. So, yeah, once I get that cut off there, I'm going to go and put it on the mill and mill it. So, I'll probably bring you guys along for it, but I thought I'd bring you along for me doing this. Not a very straight line, is it? I was going to put a 2x4 down and I just figured I'd wing it. So I don't like the Forester Platinum. I think it sucks. And I almost feel like it was a blem because it said it was for my saw. But the chain tensioner hole was off by probably 1/8 to an inch, maybe more. And I had already scratched the bar up a little bit and got it all dirty. And then I got it from eBay, so I guess that tells you anything. But the oiler hole doesn't line up, so I did a little modification. I think I'm gonna have to pull it back apart and maybe make that oiler a little. I made a channel. The oiler sat about here and their hole sat up here, so I tried to make a little channel there. I probably have to get my Dremel out and clean it up some so it flows a little better. But yeah, the other one I had was just a plain. I'm probably just gonna go up to the house and order me a Husky bar or a, what is it? The other brand there, Oregon. So, alright, well, this is starting to pinch. There must be a little bit of tension in it, so I'm gonna, it's almost closing right up there at the top, so I'm gonna grab a wedge and smack into it, see what happens. Got quite a bit of it to pop open. Maybe just a little more cutting down there, and maybe I get that end to pop. I'm gonna go grab another wedge. Be right back. Had down here was an old axe head or split and maul head, so. Now what? I didn't have much to work with, but I had one more little wedge over there in the office, so see what we can do now. I'll go to the other end and hit low. Well, good, I didn't have to roll that sucker. Alright, well, metal detected, but looks like I got past it. Sure stained the wood, but a lot darker right there, so I'm sure it's all right there. But we'll throw the metal detector on it and just to make sure. Alright everyone, thanks for coming along, and thanks for watching. Have a great evening. Alright, about 4:30 in the